The name was given because of a debutant, a rich man from Venice, who was ruling the area, and this is why we gave his name. The Venetians were here between 14th and 16th century. They were just right after the Arabs occupied this island. This island was for a long time occupied because it was in the middle of the existing civilization for thousands of years, surrounded by Mediterranean Sea. Everybody needed this island to control and rule the full region of Mediterranean Sea. My name is Manolis. It's the name of Jesus Christ in Crete. But in fact, in my passport, it's written Emmanuel. Emmanuel, for some reason, it's a Hebrew word, an Israeli word. Emmanuel means the God with you. So today, all day I will be with you. So the God will be with you, so no problem. Now, before I welcome you, I will explain what we say when we welcome people to our village. On this island, Crete, the god Zeus was born. The early days in Greece, we had 12 gods. One of them, the god of the gods, was called Zeus. And his full name was Xenios Zeus. Xenos in Greek means the foreigner, the visitor, the guest. Okay, so we are giving so much importance to the guest. That's why the top god, the god of the gods, was looking after the guest. This is why when we have guests on Crete, you are not visitors, you are not clients, you are guests here. Today you have to remember that. We do not say welcome. Why? Because the word welcome is not rich enough to describe our feelings. So what we say kalos orίσατε. Say again, kalos orίσατε. The verb orizo means I rule. So the guest here makes the rules while they are here. So today you make the rules. No matter the boss who wants to keep the schedule, don't worry. So, I would like to walk through the village, and whenever there is a shade, we stop and I will explain to you how these people live, what they do, what is the economy, etc. So, Emmanuel, let's go. Follow me.